per capita output is highest in this because we have used the best technology of the furnaces to maintain the temperature for longer period. Apart from this, these steel plants, I want to discuss the steel plants of South India separately. In South India, basically, South India is free from coal, and steel industry require the coal for making the high temperature of the furnaces. Temperature ranges from 2500 to 3000 degrees Celsius. So if I broadly construct here in South India, I said there is in Karnataka there is a place called Bhadravati. In South India they don't have T, they have Thi, Bhadravati, PHI, but हम North India में TI लिखते हैं. So which coal mine is there? Iron ore mine is there? Kudremukh, Keman Gundi, Baba Budan Hills, Badam Pahad. I think I mentioned these names. I'll write again. Kudremukh, Keman Gundi, Baba Budan Hills. Bandarpa. This is and this is in the eastern slope of the Western Ghat. These are the mines. So Britishers developed in 1923. So Britishers started this steel plant Bhadravati because Britishers developed the railway network and several engineering infrastructure was developed, so they need steel, so they started manufacturing steel over here. But Bhadravati has the iron ore, but they don't have coal. To run this industry, to maintain the high temperature of furnaces, we are importing coal, we are importing through Mangalore coal. This is the Mangalore, and from Mangalore to Bhadravati is the railway track. Apart from that, we are using the wood from the Western Ghats. So they are also using the wood and from the Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Apart from wood, this plant is also using the hydroelectricity from Karnataka State Electricity Board. Hydro, wood plus hydro electricity. So wood, hydroelectricity and imported coal. Even after that, its demand of coal is not met properly. That's why production of South Indian plants are not increasing, it is stabilized. Bhadravati, they are using this is the ore, substitute of coal, all these are the substitute of coal, imported coal, hydroelectricity and wood, and they are also using charcoal, waste of the chemical industry, and they are also using the old tires, everything in the furnaces. So charcoal and the pieces of, they make the pieces of the old butadiene or the rubber or the chemical, they put the waste of the chemical industry to run the furnaces. They have the local limestone. Limestone is there called Bhandi Gudda mines. So it is local limestone. River, Bhadravati is located on Bhadra river. There are the two rivers. One is called Tunga river and one is called Bhadra river. When Tunga and Bhadra join, it is known as Tungabhadra, and Tungabhadra is the tributary of Krishna river. So this is Tunga This is Bhadra. So when it join it here, it join the Krishna. So this is Krishna. So Tungabhadra river is there. It is on Bhadravati river. Water is there. They obtain water from Bhadra river. Coal is ore is there. Substitute of coal I said. Railway network is there, connected to Mysore, connected to Bangalore, Mandya, Tumkur, Mangalore, and connected to Pune also. So it is connected by the railway network. It is the Karnataka. It is located on the leeward side of the Western Ghat, in the rain shadow zone. Scarcity of vegetation is there because of the limited rainfall over there. So most of the people, we are in need to have the dependency on non-agricultural activities. So this is Bhadravati is one. Apart from Bhadravati, there is another plant where both the rivers join. Tungabhadra and Krishna. There is a place called Vijayanagar. Vijayanagar is a place. Vijayanagar steel plant. In northeast Karnataka, I said Sandur, S-A-N-D-U-R, Sandur, Hospet and Bellary. These are the three names of the ore mines in Karnataka. So it is Sandur, this is Hospet, this is Bellary. So all these three mines are within 25 kilometer radius from the Vijayanagar steel plant. So Vijayanagar steel plant is also ore-based steel plant. This is located, iron ore is there. Bhadravati is also it's an ore-based steel plant, Bhadravati. But from where the coal comes, you must be knowing Singareni coal tree. In this part of here, Singareni. Oh, I left. I said Visakhapatnam import coal from Dhanbad. Visakhapatnam also import coal from Singareni. Singareni से विशाखापट्टनम भी जाता है and Singareni से यहाँ भी जाता है. Singareni is the only coal mine. Ramagudam, Kuthagudam and Singareni are the only coal mine in South India of good quality of coal mine. Though Neyveli is there, but Neyveli is of not good quality of coal. That is lignite. So this is bituminous coal. So Singareni, it import coal from Singareni. So Vijayanagar steel plant is there. It was started in 1971. 1971. Under the fourth 5-year plan, we started this. Rather fifth 5-year plan. This is the ore based. This is Sandur, this is Hospet, this is Bellary, this is Vijayanagar. Water it obtained from both the rivers, Tungabhadra and Krishna river. Both are located over there, and it is in Karnataka. So this is the rain shadow zone. Again, semi-arid region. Scarcity of agricultural activities, limitation of agricultural activities. So labor is cheaply available for this industry over there. But this industry is, again, this plant is not very enterprising plant. Its production is not increasing since its inception. So it's almost stationary because of the limitation of the coal. So it supplied coal from the far off, almost 800 kilometers. From 800 kilometers it transport. So coal also comes to Vizag. So this is the Vizag. In Vizag, coal also comes from Dhanbad. Dhanbad is in Jharkhand. Apart from this Bhadravati, apart from this second number Vijayanagar, there is another very enterprising steel plant that is called Salem steel plant. Salem is on river, one river moves like this and goes like this. So this is Salem. This is which river? Krishna. Sorry. Kaveri. You can say all these steel plants are located on rivers. Whether it is Bhadravati or Vijayanagar or Vizag is on the port, it's a port city location, or whether it is Disco or Isco or Durgapur, everywhere there is the water is there. So Salem is there, and they import the coal from Neyveli. I told you Neyveli lignite. This is poor quality of coal. So Neyveli lignite is transported. It supplies the coal to Salem steel plant. There are the local ore. Ore is local ore mines from Chevroy Hills. ये आपने सुना होगा Chevroy Hills. Chevroy Hill are the part of Eastern Ghat. Javadi Hills, Chevroy Hills, Nallamalai Hills, Palkonda Hills, Velikonda Hills. वो आंध्र प्रदेश in तमिलनाडु में the hills which used to make the Eastern Ghat. So Chevroy Hills are located over here. There is a mine called Bhandigudda. So we obtain ore from Bhandigudda, local Chevroy Hills, and from the same region they have the lime is also available. Lime and iron ore, it is locally available, and coal comes from Neyveli. So this is making it. Salem is making good quality of steel, but not of big steel kind of fabricated steel. It is making thin sheet of steel, like making utensils. आपके जो बर्तन होते हैं ना, they are basically that steel. Your glass, your bowl and all plates, they are manufactured at Salem. Salem is known for utensil items, for thin sheets of good quality of steel, not the steel for making the railway tracks or heavy engineering items. It is not basically for that. Because of the limitation of the supply of coal, they don't have good quality of coal. So they also use the imported coal, because Chennai port is the port. All the time on Chennai port you will find a ship is unloading the coal. We import the good quality of coal and mix the good quality of coal at this point, this location at the Neyveli lignite is mixed in the good quality of coal, and we use it at Salem steel plant. So Salem is very important steel plant, but not very enterprising. All the three plants, whether Vijayanagar or Bhadravati or Salem, the production is not increasing. It's stagnant, and they are making almost very low quantity of steel because of the scarcity of coal, and we don't have the substitute. We import it or we use it. So there is the acute pressure on the Neyveli lignite. Neyveli sometimes also supply coal to Bhadravati also. So sometimes we use the coal from Neyveli at Bhadravati. Sometimes when imported coal is not available, then we use our indigenous coal. So these are some of the important steel plants. Apart from that, we have two big steel plants are still in pipeline. We wanted to start. Thank God we started these almost 12 steel plants before the awareness of the environmentalists in the country. Wherever we start a plant now, environmentalists reach over there and they obstruct the construction. At Ratnagiri is one of them. In Maharashtra, in Ratnagiri, we are somewhere here. This is we are planning here to install one big steel plant, because Ratnagiri area is known for iron ore mines, because Sindhudurg and Ratnagiri, they have the rich iron ore deposits. So because iron ore is there, coal we may import it, imported coal based industry, because Konkan region, wind facing slope of the Maharashtra and Karnataka, they have not, the area is not developed industrially. Neither agriculture is suitable because of the poor quality of soil. Which soil is there in Western Ghats, western slope of Western Ghat? Laterite soil. So that is not sustaining the good agriculture, only horticulture is sustained by that region. So one is, but still it is, the project is stumbled. Same is another project, the POSCO, one multinational foreign direct investment, they wanted to invest very close to Talcher mines in Odisha. There is a place called Gayatri. In Odisha, there is a place called Gayatri. Gayatri is near Talcher. Talcher Fort. Talcher is the, so this is another POSCO plant which is again halted by the environmentalists. So two more plants are about to come in the country. Though we have the small plants, mini plants of recycling the old scrap. So most of the steel whatever we use to make our houses, we need steel rods, and most of the steel rods are recycled. Most of the waste we use, and whatever is the steel bucket, we use it, we throw it, the waste is recycled and we use to manufacture it in the different part of the country, particularly in Western Ghats. Around the Western Ghat, like in Goa, there are so many foundries and the furnaces of recycling units, because hydroelectricity is there. And what can they do? Electricity is available on very cheap prices. So they make the furnaces, they run the furnaces on the hydroelectricity and the cheaper imported coal. So we have the recycling units, small units. But still India is importing steel. We are exporting iron ore and importing steel. India is the largest exporter of iron ore to Japan. And we are also importing iron ore to African countries and European countries, but we are importing steel from Japan. So need to construct more steel plant in the country and to upgrade this steel production in the country. So this is about the steel. It is the base industry. It gives foundation to the several other industries. No other industry can sustain. So cement industry, steel industry, fertilizer industry, these are the foundation of our modern economy and the development of the country. So this is one of them. So this is the steel industry in all. So let me stop it here. And in next class, we will discuss the automobile industry. So we have time. We can discuss the automobile industry. Okay. I discussed earlier. Now let's come over to the next topic, automobile industry in India. In the current past, since 1990, you can say in last 25 years or so, Indian economy started growing up. It took the momentum, it's growing. So the purchase capacity of Indian people is increasing. Earlier we had a few automobile industry. One was by the Tata, another by the Mahindra. Tata plant, Tata automobile industry was located in Pune. All Tata trucks are assembled in Pune. So was the Mahindra trucks were also manufactured at Pune. Only two cars were there. Two cars, one was the Ambassador car that was manufactured in the Hindustan Motors, in the name of Hindustan Motor at Kolkata. Now it is closed, industry is closed. Apart from that, before 1990 I am talking about, we had the Fiat cars in the name of Premier Automobiles. They were manufactured in Kolaba. Kolaba means Mumbai. So Mumbai and Kolkata, two car companies, and one Enfield motorcycle, that is the again American company. Most of the American companies are located in Chennai, whether it is Massey Ferguson tractor manufacturing unit, it is located in Chennai. Whether it is Ford plant of Ford automobiles, it is located in Chennai, or the General Motors American plant, it is located in Chennai. Royal Enfield manufacturing unit, it is also in Chennai. So Enfield was established in Chennai, and one Massey tractor manufacturing unit was also. So Chennai and Kolkata and Mumbai were the center of few automobile industry, and Pune. But after decentralization of industries, because automobile industry is the assembling industry. In steel industry, the raw material is in natural form, whether it is coal or the iron ore or the manganese or water or the lime, whatever, they require the raw. But in automobile industry, their raw material is the finished product of one industry, is their raw material. One industry has manufactured tire, they purchase the tire. One industry has made the electric items, a circuit of electric system of the automobile or a car, they purchase the circuit, they purchase the bulb, they purchase the rubber items, they purchase the electric items, they purchase the chassis, they purchase the all plastic items. Thousands of the items are required. So these assembling industries are the industry of management oriented industry. Purchase marketing oriented industry, they require the cheapest item of the best quality of item with international standards. So they need managers, purchasers, HRs, so they can minimize the product purchase price and maximize the profit, or the maximize the cost of their product, so they can increase the profit. So this industry is basically human skill oriented industry. It is not the footloose industry. This industry, the localization of this industry is basically controlled by the industrial environment. Industrial environment, like in 1984, in 1982, Sanjay Gandhi, the son of the then Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Mr. Sanjay Gandhi started one Suzuki, and he gave the Indian name Maruti Suzuki, with the collaboration of Suzuki. Japanese company started a small automobile company in Gurgaon. So it's an assembling industry. He requires so many small industries around Gurgaon. So industrial centers developed around Maruti. Some of the industries started making bulb, some started making bumper, some industries started making steering, plastic steering, some industries started making dashboard, some industries started making radiator. So different engineering items, every industry. So this industry is sustained because of these small industrial complexes in and around Gurgaon. In Delhi, we have the Okhla industrial region, Mayapur industrial region, Gurgaon industrial region, Sona industrial region, Manesar industrial region, Bhiwadi industrial region, Dharuheda industrial region, Noida industrial region, Sonipat industrial region. So many industries are there. All industries are directly or indirectly collaborating the automobile industry. So it's a chain. Kolkata, we don't have the automobile industry. Neither I look feasibility in near future, because they don't have these small ancillary industries which could supply their finished product to the automobile. So this automobile industry requires several ancillary industries, small industrial parks. Kolkata, it doesn't mean Kolkata doesn't have market. Kolkata has a big market of automobiles. But they don't have environment, industrial environment is missing over there. So this industry is dependent on the industrial environment. It's a skill-oriented industry. It requires managers. Managers, you will be surprised to know, being a teacher, I'm in the building committee of the college, building which used to manage the entire infrastructure of the college. We went we planned to have the whitewashing of the college building. I interacted to some of the contractor. He said, I'll take 50 lakh rupees, weather code, blah, blah, blah. I was not aware what technology he used. Then I contacted the second person. He said, I can make in 40 lakh. Very good, perfect building, बढ़िया बना देंगे. The third, then I thought, no, better हैं कैसे? Then I inquired, I called the third contractor. He said, I can make in 30 lakh. Every conditions remain same, weather coat exterior and distemper interior, enamel distemper interior. Of the same company, Asian brand or the narrow leg or blah blah. So we inquired. Then finally we put it, we uploaded this in the university website. Then the further several contractors came. Everything. He said, I can do this work in 20 lakh only. The first contractor said 50 lakh. Being a teacher, 50 lakh for me. Maybe हो सकता है भाई. 50 lakh का काम हो सकता है. I was not worried. So it required. Finally काम हुआ 20 lakh में. अगर मेरी जगह कोई MBA होता और उनसे सौदेबाजी करता, so it would have been 15 lakh probably. What I told them. लेकिन 15 lakh से कम में तो फिर क्वालिटी घट जाती. लगता है मुझे ये और भी सस्ता हो सकता था. So it means when we purchase the every nut and bolt and screw of every item, they can be, their production price could be reduced. So it require, automobile industry require skilled professionals, trained managers, HR. So that's why geography students are always very successful MBA or HR managers, because they know the situation of the industry, production conditions, the source of raw material, labor input. The geographers have the better idea about the input of the raw material and the product price. They can gauge, they can judge what should be the product price. So automobile industry in India, automobile industry has increased. We have heterogeneous geographical conditions. We have the rural vehicle, we have the urban vehicle. We have the goods vehicle, we have the passenger vehicles. We have the individual vehicles, we have the group vehicles. We have the mass transit system. Apart from, so see the vehicle, two-wheeler भी वही चल रहा है जो एक passenger का है. A three-wheeler is also running which is carrying two passengers. उसके साथ बड़ा टैक्सी भी चल रही है which is carrying 4 passengers. उसके साथ मिनी बस चल रही है which is carrying 20 passengers. उसके साथ DTC बस चल रही है which is carrying 50 passengers. उसके साथ मेट्रो भी चल रही है which is carrying 1000 passengers at a time. So all type of vehicles we required. So we have the two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, goods, long distance vehicles, short distance vehicles, petrol vehicles, diesel oriented vehicles, now CNG oriented vehicles. So variety of vehicles required for different geographical conditions. So there is the once after 1990s economy started growing up, industrialization diffused, foreign direct investment started coming to India, like automobile industry. Why they came? Before the starting of this industry in before 1990s, These industries were not looking to India. All the European industries, Germans are known for automobile, sturdy, strong automobiles, like Mercedes, like Bavarian Machine Works, BMW. They were not thinking about India.